Good morning and welcome to Truck Enterprises Roanoke. My name is Luke Wheeler. I'm with the sales department here. And what I want to do is show you the Kenworth W990. This is Kenworth's flagship model truck they released in 2018. We have one here I want to do a walk around with you on today, show you some of the new features and what we like and love about it, and let you know how you can get one. Okay, so starting out here, when we do our walk around, I want to just start at the hood and go around to the back of the cab. This particular truck is the 76-inch sleeper version. This truck you can get in a 76-inch midroof, a 52-inch midroof, a 40-inch flat top, or just your standard day cab. Although it does have similar lines, classic stylings as the W900 did, this truck is made with Kenworth's 2.1 meter cab, which is available in the 680 and 880 models as well. Still have your classic extended hood look. The main difference, I think, on the hood, other than some more aerodynamic lines, are these side hood air intakes here that are chrome, nice look, going with the mirrors and the hood and the Kenworth logo. I think that's a really nice feature, definitely new. You pair that with the twin exhaust and the stainless steel sun visor with the integral LED marker lights. It really gives you a nice, clean, classic look, but offers some more aerodynamics than the W900 did. Going on back here, you can see that it's not your traditional flat top like the W900 was. There is a midroof here, and that will be in the 76 and the 52-inch. The 40-inch sleeper is actually a flat top. I want to show you the interior. Really excited about the interior of this cab. This is the limited edition diamond interior for the W990. As you can see there, we have the blue stitching with what Kenworth calls their Ravenwood panels. And that'll be integrated all throughout the cab and the sleeper, on the back wall and the dash. So let's hop in and I want to show you some more about this interior. So the limited edition interior on the 990, their diamond interior, which was available in all the 900s and the other cabs. This is the limited edition diamond interior just for this truck, only available this year. The blue stitching, as I showed you on the door, and the Ravenwood interior panels and side panels goes through the steering wheel here and through the dash, and will also go all the way back through the sleeper onto the back panels. So now that we've seen the entryway and the dash and those features, let's go into the sleeper and see how that carries through. As you can see, this is the midroof 76-inch version of this sleeper, and I'm about 6 foot tall, plenty of standing room here for me. The limited edition interior package carries on through the walls, the back walls, with this blue stitch W990 insignia on the back, kind of dressing everything out really nice and making it all pop. Storage options in terms of the 2.1 cab, still have place for your microwave here, your TV mount package, wardrobe closet, refrigerator, and this is actually different. This is an integral back wall storage system. The 990 being a mid-roof, people have asked me if you can still get a double bunk. You can, in lieu of this. So this would replace, or the bunk would replace this back wall storage system. Really comfortable for the driver and something to be proud of as well. So there's an inverter here. So thank you guys for coming out and walking around the truck with us, the new Kenworth 990, W990. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the new features with me. Let me explain them to you, and I hope that you can picture yourself driving one of these trucks. I know I could. You can really do anything you want to do in this truck. We can spec it out however you want it. So give me a call at 540-563-1161 here in the Truck Enterprises sales department, or send me an email, lwheeler@truckenterprises.com. Thanks again for your time.